everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I'm bringing an unboxing. This one, let's see, is from Shandali. So I know that it is a yoga towel. And it is a travel. I'm not going to go, what the heck? Alright. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so this let's see, Shandali, the Ultra Sport Travel Towel. Lightweight, sorry I had to itch my hand. Lightweight, microfiber, ultra absorbent, quick drying, perfect for traveling, camping, hiking, beach, or anything outdoors. Why we made this: a lightweight, ultra absorbent, and quick drying travel towel that's specifically designed to keep you dry and keep you doing what you love to do. Perfect for the beach, hiking, traveling, yoga, sports, and anything outdoors. Microfiber, 80% polyester, 20% nylon. Machine washable with similar colors, cold water. Okay, it feels exactly like it said it was supposed to come with a clip. So I am missing my clip. So, Shandali, you just seen me open up my package. You're going to bed. And just saw me open it. And I did not pull out a clip that said it was supposed to come with it. So, I will be writing the company, because here's the little holder for the clip, and I do remember on the website and on Amazon that it was said it would come with a clip to hold it. So that's what I'll be looking for. Alright, well, I will be doing a review on these, because I actually got, oh, and it's even embossed with their logo. That's cool. I think the big one is too, because I did get the big one for a review as well, and I love it. So this one I'll use too. I love it. I do Zumba. I get sweaty. I don't know if I'll take it outside, but all right. Well, you guys have a great night, and I will see you next time. Bye.